Yo, what's good with y'all? We got another car rebuild. I got this Challenger off of Copart. That shit was a little bit more than messed up, man. But, you know, King Africa, my buddy guy, he gonna get the car right. Right now, I'm on the way to my dad to go pick up his truck keys. And then we gonna head back to the shop. I'm gonna get my homeboy. We gonna load all the parts up. We gonna get to the body shop. I'm gonna show y'all footage of the before of the car and all that. And then I'm gonna show y'all the whole process, how we get it done. I'm gonna do a price breakdown for y'all as well, so y'all know how much money you gotta put into this shit to get your money back. And I'll put y'all on with like a little bit of tips, you know, to get your car selling quicker, finding dealers, finding body shops, all that. So stay tuned, and I'll see y'all when we get to the shop. Yo, so we got the keys right here, man. You about to head to the shop right now. Here go the Challenger keys, the wide body joint. E-keys right here. I think I paid like $25 for the key. I bought a KM100 off Marketplace. But if you know anything about the KM100, the Pro Pads, they banned them, so you can't program no Dodge, no Ford, no Chevy keys, nothing like that. But you know me, I'm a technologically advanced ass nigga, so I jailbroke that motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? So now I can program whatever fuck I want. But I'm not using it for no illegal purposes like most of y'all fleckers. I'm using this shit for real business. I'm driving in a goddamn hoopty right now. This shit got a goddamn FCW light. If y'all know what that means, it's the little crash sensors in the front. I don't know, man. I bought this car, I ain't gonna lie, I think I paid, I don't know, I can get the price up for y'all if y'all like, if y'all really need the price, y'all can just say it in the comments y'all want the price. I'll show y'all a price breakdown. I think I completed this whole car for less than $3,000. Prices are OD. So if I ever wanna, you know, I'm probably gonna try to get a Hellcat swap in the future. I'm gonna do a whole video on that too. I'm gonna show y'all the process of how to get the donor car, all that shit, and then I'm gonna put it all together because I already got a shell. I got a parts car I used to get most of the parts off my Challenger, so that's gonna be the shell I use. But if y'all stay tuned, inshallah, in the upcoming future, within like a couple months, I'm gonna inshallah try to get a Hellcat. You know, just for the fun of it. I don't want to go out there and just spend 20 racks on a Hellcat. Really, it's like two options I can go with the Hellcat. You know, I could buy a 5.7 liter Hemi. I'll throw a supercharger on there. It's a bit of a process, but you know, I'm a certified mechaniki, so I got that shit in the bag. Or I could just go buy one like completely destroyed from the auction. Well, what I'm looking for is something like, you see this pillar right here? I want the car flipped over so fucking bad that this pillar don't even exist. I want the roof right here on the dash, the roof on the dash throughout the whole car. That's what I'm looking for. That's a dream come true right there. Cause the engine, everything is gonna be good. The only thing I'll probably need is a what's it called, a body harness, if anything. So we got my nigga Sino Bubble Balls. I don't know your last name, but this is my nigga Sino Bubble Balls.
After 2 times falling asleep on my nigga Dookie, we done made it.
We got you see how cool this bitch is. I don't even gotta do it. Magical, whatever that shit called. This is that AI shit. This is the future we're scared of.
Right here.
All right, come on, let's go get the parts in this. So we gonna grab the motherfucking hood first. So this is the transmission I've been working on, dude. I dropped the whole subframe on this shit just to get the look how big that shit is. Yo, we got hella parts over here, man. We know how to get to it. Yo, let's get with y'all. Me and my nigga Sino Bubble Balls.
Oh yeah.
We got the whole back of the truck loaded up, man.
Got rained on and shit.
We on the goddamn way, motherfucker. We in the, what's it called? This is a presidential shit.
Black,
you know?
truck, nigga.
Big black presidential truck. You see this? You hear that? I mean, them bitches bulletproof. We got the wireless charger right here, you know, for your big ass road trips. It literally shows you the road speed limit right here. It says we're in a 35-mile-an-hour zone. If I turn this motherfucker on, the car drives itself. But I'm too pussy for all that bullshit. I ain't with all that technologically advanced shit.
This bitch made in America, but it drives like a foreign, alright?
Yeah, I ain't gonna hit it because it's raining. We probably gonna spin out and die or some shit.
We are responsible drivers.
You know, them cars are so fucking cheap and poorly made. You could buy a 2019 one for $4,000. We have a ride at our destination. We just unloaded all the parts. Now watch this technologically shit. What? Look.
Et voila.
Come on. Oh, shit. Oh, you gotta hold that. They could do better.
Et voila, magnifique.
So how much did we say the price?
It was 1,000, man.
No, it wasn't 1,000. I think you said 800 for just the front. But I want to see, can you paint the hood and bumper? You think?
You paint the hood and bumper?
The hood, bumper, and fender.
Okay, that one, let me finish the job first,
Uh-huh.
and then we take it from there.
Okay, how much do you think you would do the thing for?
The paint?
Yeah, for hood,
That's what I'm
bumper.
saying.
Oh,
I
you
said
want to
let-
see after?
Mhm.
Okay, you think there's anything else we need, or
Anything
I have
while
the
working, I'll let you know.
hood hinges on here? So,
If I shot anything, I'll give you a call.
oh, where's the car? I just want to take a
Is that a bed?
outside or inside?
Inside.
It's the car right here.
Where?
So,
What the fuck? There's the meat. This bitch get good MPG though. Oh. Uh-oh. We might have to ask a few questions about this bad bitch right here. You found it? Ooh. I thought our shit got striped. That is a clapped ass G37. That's a clapped ass G37. Oh. That's side. Let's go ahead on this side, man. Pass by right all this shit we unloaded. Scratching my head. Oh, is this us?
You don't care about your uncle anymore, huh?
Look at me, man. I'm dying out here.
That's why you guys making money. I mean, whole song.
We came to ask you for some money. Actually.
I'm the mechanic. You know, we're making a YouTube video. We're teaching
Yes,
people how to work on the cars.
Oh yeah, I'm learning. I'm one of the learners myself, but yani they're learning with me.
Give them some advice, man. You don't want people,
Tell me some good stuff.
You don't wanna
Tell us
teach
some good
people?
stuff.
like you don't like it's to help people. Or that's no good. You don't.
You gotta come and convince me you're a mechanic.
Me?
Yeah.
I'm a mechanic, man.
That's the best mechanic in the
Look at me.
336, man, in the whole
You
triad.
can tell by my clothes.
Look at him. Look how he's dressed.
You gonna put my transmission over there?
Two
Ooh.
transmissions I'm working on right now. I have an Impala one. You have to take the whole K
It's
member
the
out.
SS and Paula SS.
Big
It's
V.
complicated. This is I just want transmitter to put
What car
on
is this?
a Mustang.
You saw it?
No, I'm just talking.
Oh yeah.
I'll look at it.
It's over here.
My yard is at the back.
Like this way, right?
Yes.
Is that tow truck back there for sale right now? The big tow truck.
The tow truck.
No, somebody is for somebody. I can ask him.
Okay, let us know. Let's go find our car.
Close it? Okay. Get a look.
Alright, let's go find our whip, gang. Is that us?
Let me show them.
Is that us?
Come on, you gotta.
Which one's the this the
This
wide body? I
one.
see the wide. Okay then. Ooh. I see the intake right here.
Alright, so we need this tank, and
Okay, do we have this already? I thought we have this
we
already.
have this.
Okay.
But this
We
is
just need
different.
this, bro. This is nothing though. Wait, hold on. You think it doesn't hold or what? What's wrong with it? Corroded and shit.
Look at the hole.
Oh.
This should be good. No problem. We bring it here to my favorite mechanic.
Okay, mechanic.
So I'll show you. I'll give you an example with the hood. So to fix this hood, right? You grab the big frame machine. You hook it right here.
Yep. Bow.
You know what happens when you pull it?
What happened?
This goes down. This comes up. It goes back.
Yeah, but with if this hood is fixable, why do we unload the hood from out the Suburban and drop it off here?
I never said it was fixable.
Oh.
Oh, that's just like the theory.
Oh, this is a theory. No, I don't think this bitch. I think this bitch done.
No, it's a theory. Like everything is fixable, man. When you really like put your brain into it, this ain't fixable, you know. So
No.
we already got the same hood.
No.
I wish we can get. You want to get stripes? Yo, we keep it.
Oh, I said we gotta keep it the color. We gotta keep
Look.
it this color. I like this
I
color,
like
bro.
this color. All right, look. You want to get stripes, right? They're chowdy, man.
Okay. You have airbag?
Oh my
Oh,
goodness.
my Lord.
Oh shit, low key, the Challenger we have is different. Airbag.
So we need a new airbag.
Yeah, you can just
That's
go get your
on the-
refund from Abdullah. Or you're not paying for it. So we got the
Oh, I paid him for everything.
Yo, for this, I feel like I can fix this motherfucker. And then, you know, we're missing a fucking.
We're missing a whole radio.
Fucking damn it. But you know why it's okay though? You know what's
You have
cool?
one. You have one. Please tell me you have
You know
one.
why it's okay?
Please tell me
I
you
think
have
I might have. But you know why it's really okay though?
Okay.
This bitch, man. You know, you got the good view. Wallahi, inshallah, this car comes out good. Yeah, sorry about that.
Huh? No,
Yeah, we must leave now. Oh, I just want to show you one more thing. You see, this one? Is there any way you can make all of them like good? Like stick it?
Take it out.
No, stick it good. Because it came off a little bit.
The wide body.
You see?
Want it to be tight?
Yeah.
Yeah, like either glue or anything. I'll bring you a new one for the driver's side too.
Two bumpers for me.
Bumper? How much you paying me, man?
Mechanic.
How much you paying?
I'm a mechanic, not body man. Do you have body man right?
Put a bumper.
How
Give me
much you
big, I put a
paying?
bumper.
How much you paying?
That's simple, easy.
How much?
You don't know how much?
How much?
Look at the bumper.
You look like you're gonna give me a cheap price. I don't look price. You know, I'll be busy. I need to to make me want to do it. It has to be worth it.
Oh yeah.
Which one? This one? Change it. You have a new one?
The Nissan?
What's the other one?
The front and the rear.
Oh man, how much?
You tell me how much?
You know, I'm a mechanic, man. I charge like $80, man.
To change the bumper.
Well, two of them.
Why you keep recording me?
We're making a YouTube video.
We're making YouTube video.
We're showing everybody how mechanic,
How mechanic we do business, how we work, how we fix,
how we make deals,
how we negotiate.
how we make deals. Yeah,
Damn,
$80.
almost 80 locked in right here. $80
Yeah,
like
we
it.
do.
Emil gonna do it.
Yeah, how much? Give me a good. How like?
See, did the body work. See? Look at the fender.
You're not gonna just let them fix them up?
Emil, it's better to...
Plastic weld. Plastic welded.
How much? Give me a price. Well, what do you think? What do you think it's worth? That means the juice.
You're not gonna charge me more than $250 to do all this. Do the body work, change the front and rear bumper.
It's not too bad. Let's go look at the chunk. Oh, chunk, no problem. Chunk, you pull this out. This is fixable. Now this right here is what's fixable.
Man, Abdullah can just pull it.
Abdullah, pull it.
How much? Give me a price.
You're gonna do everything?
What?
The body work?
Body work? I don't know body work. I thought you wanted me. I can change every.
I don't want to pay two people.
I'll change everything.
I give everything to Emil. You're gonna change the front bumper, rear bumper, do the body work.
How much? Give me a price.
$1.
Give me a price. What do you want to pay?
$40.
Oh.
For one bumper or two?
bumpers.
Changing two.
That's easy, man. That's just 2 screws.
Look, master. Hey, this guy, master negotiator right here.
I can do it.
He can do it. He just don't feel like it.
Everybody can do it.
I'm starting.
But-
because of the rent. The rent
Yeah,
gonna make me
it's
start.
'cause you
And
don't
I'm
have
watching
time.
the game too. That's it.
Oh, who's your team? Who's your team? Who's gonna win this World Cup?
Brazil.
Brazil?
Yeah.
Oh.
I don't think Brazil's
No.
Brazil is my team.
France gonna win.
I think Capa Verde.
Cabo Verde.
What the hell is that? What's the...
You laughing at me, man?
They play good, but they're not going nowhere.
Okay, Algeria.
Yo.
hell nah, man.
What do you mean?
Just
That's
because
out already.
No, they're not.
They got only 1 game. That's it.
We have to play Austria. We're in 3rd place. We can still qualify for round 32.
Algeria, Tunisia, they're gone.
Hey, Tunisia is gone. Algeria is not
The
gone
only
yet.
Africa better team over there right now on the North Africa is going to be Egypt and Morocco.
Algeria is 3rd place right now. We have 1 more game. We have a chance.
You from Algeria?
I'm from Algeria.
That's why I supported them, I know, but they're nothing.
Oh, don't say that, Ammo. La.
Watch all the game here.
Ammo.
on the World Cup?
No, I don't get it.
Ammo, we lost to Argentina, Ammo.
Muslim don't
I
gamble.
put $50. I got 1,500, man. Oh, sorry, Darren. You forgot? Oh, I'm sorry about that.
Hey, it's my boy.
We'll be right back.
Are you aware of that?
Yeah, let me just move the car. I'm sorry about that.
Okay.
Hawlillah.
You come.
Me?
I said this small things which are broken this side. If you are
Yeah.
aware of it, okay.
Okay.
It mustn't be as we break it from here.
Yeah.
I just want to be clear.
That's bad news. I don't know if that means we need a new radiator or what, but. Throw that nigga back and out that Prezi. Hey, gang, bad news. Gang, niggas might need a new radiator. You know, like the little fan support shits. Like you know how like a wheel got the rim.
Am I good?
Okay, I'm not gonna fuck. Gang, because I don't think it was broken like that before. I think we broke it like shoving it in the goddamn shit and then treating it bad. Come here, look. I mean, no, it's just like little plastics broke off the fan. It's still gonna work. It's just like. No, I mean, you the mechanic. You let me know if this shit's gonna fuck up the radiator or not. I'll just be giving you money to do this shit.
So we do this shit. Alright, what are you talking about?
He talking about, oh shit.
What you mean, oh shit?
He talking about,
man, what that
There's
gotta
nothing?
do? What that gotta do with me, man?
I bet we good then.
As long as it don't make no weird noise.
He said, are you aware? I said, yeah.
You're talking about just the plastic.
Just the plastics.
Yes, I know. That's fine. I know. But those plugs are the handle from this one to the body. So you see these ones.
Is there any way you can make it work like this? I can.
No,
change
yeah,
it.
it will work, but it will be
It's shaking and stuff.
yeah, it will vibrate. But if you don't mind,
I can change the sound. I'll find one in the.
This nigga was hating on my country. Talking about something going nowhere. I don't know if I can accept that.
Hey, you want this trash? This exhaust? If you don't want it, I'll take it. Uncle.
Yeah.
You want this exhaust?
The exhaust laying on the floor. You need it?
Looking for what?
It looks like it's trash.
Scrap. It's not a scrap.
But you need it.
Yeah, I need a flex pipe and a catalytic converter.
You don't need the catalytic converter.
You have the old one?
I'll give you $5 for it.
You have the old one?
Why you laughing, man?
You're crazy.
I'll give you $5 for it.
Okay, wait, we gotta go back to work.
Okay, I forgot. You see by 300 right there?
Price it?
I don't know how to. The signal light switch.
The turn signal?
Yeah, the turn signal. Yeah, it's not working.
The fuse is good? The whole
Yeah.
switch is not working?
The
Or just the
fuse
light?
is good.
Does the switch work or the light?
Just
don't?
keep doing like this until I remove the fuse. When I remove the fuse, it stops.
Does the switch work or don't work?
Yeah, ask Mohammed. Mohammed said the switch is not good.
I can come back for it whenever I come for the other challenge. I'm bringing more parts right now.
You know how to take it
I'll
out?
just look at it. I can take a look at it and then see if I can do it.
Yeah, I need everything money.
No problem. If you fix it.
Money is a
His drink.
Oh, my drink. Oh, no, no. Oh, yeah, sure. Salam.